My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Phyna don come out come do throwback photos of her when she dey school and when she still dey younger than now. And also they don disgrace Doyin for national television after she no fit answer question wey be say they ask her. So today Phyna just dey cruise with her fans for her IG page, and she can just ask them certain things to say for me to post my throwback, I'm in the mood. They ask her fans, they come tell her say yes, so say make she post them. So she can start to dey post them. So these are some of the pictures wey be say she post. This now one of them. Then this one too. This one's now, if from the look of things, you go see say she did very younger, yeah. And now when she did school, if you see herself, you go know the girl not be today her eye dot here. This one, she said, give us 2019 pics. Wow. So Phyna slim like this for 2019, not be smart, you know. The girl has always been fine, self, even without money, or not be smart. She dey really package even without. See how she fine for NYSC picture. This is her NYSC picture. See the way she fine for herself. And not be even better camera, they won't snap the picture, but you go see say she fine. Some of us, if there's someone will bring our NYSC picture, we'll be like Toposhi. But I go help us. This last one, yeah, this one she say na hottest throwback picture na be this. No be iPhone watch I dey see for her hands. Wow, she look fine for all of them anyways. So onto Doyin matter. Doyin today for her interview wey be say she do with Channels Television, they ask her certain question wey be say no dey related to her medical field, and the girl flop big time. Most of us will not deceive ourselves, we are not really good when it comes to current affair, but wetin we go do? Country not dey encouraging for person to even want know wetin dey even sup for current affair. So they first of all ask her who be the Inspector General of Police for Nigeria. Doyin bluntly say she no know. They come ask her say who be Nobel laureate. She say she no get idea. And not see why you go even dey ask person that kind of hard question, because everybody not really do government for university or they familiar with all those things. I beg. So as she not fit answer her now she converse, come start to dey ask them question too for her own field. Because they ask them about radiology, because you know go fit come try to form my hand for national television, come feel say now you na this smart pass. She can't ask them the question, her own field question, then so they not fit answer her. So make una listen to wetin they talk for herself.
First question is when will the president's term elapse? What year will the president's term elapse? The current president. Yeah, the first term.
First term is 4 years, right? So is it not? It's 4 years, but they usually go 2 terms, and nobody has ever gone 1 term.
So when will the first term elapse?
He said last year. That was.
So 4 years. You got that actually.
Yeah, 4 years.
Who's the IG of police?
I do not know that man. I'm so sorry. That's just the truth. I don't know.
Nigeria has a Nobel laureate. What's his name?
Nigeria has what?
A Nobel laureate. What's his name?
Again, I do not know. I'm in entertainment. Ask me about entertainment. How? Okay, you know what? I need to come and ask you about let me ask you about radiology, and let's see if you can answer the question. So what part of the body goes in first when you want to do a CT scan?
So this is the part where you give them back, I imagine.
No, because you're asking me things that are not in my field.
She's naturally combat ready.
So let me give you the clue to the Nobel laureate. He's into literature. He's got the iconic white, grey hair. I think he's actually white.
He's not afraid of basbos from young people.
Yeah, he's not afraid of basbos from young people. He's a professor, the Nobel laureate. Professor.
I don't hear her now. I like the way Doyin take answer the question. You know, if you just come they ask person random question just to score a point or make the person look stupid. Doyin a smart girl, so I like the way she take handle the thing. Because she show me by say those people they just want make her look foolish by asking her the question where them themselves know. The way she take flip the question against the interviewer, you go know say that girl a very smart girl. So we'll see some comments under this post. So the first person here says sense truly far from this girl, Lodo. If not to talk rubbish, she go sabi. Another one say, does the man that is asking the question know what a Nobel laureate mean? And half of the people bashing her don't even know what it means. I'm honestly not the biggest fan of Doyin, but haba. Me where they follow and talk like this, I don't even know what it mean. I can't say make I just throw go Google am. According to what they talk for, they say a person or organization awarded the Nobel Prize. So the question where they ask Doyin, they say the person Wale Soyinka, well, wherever. So another one comes to Lodo. I can't date a man who lives on the mainland, doesn't know who has a Nobel laureate in Nigeria. The last person said at least she's real for not disgracing herself. Don't you even touch safe. Person like me, you just ask me that kind of question. I go just tell you make you explain better. If you not fit explain, I forget it. See some people they say 6 years old pikin go know the thing. This one, this one. See, sometimes but you go even forget how to spell is if you dey in certain environment. Is you go forget am. So you know make nobody dey form say e sabi pass anybody for you. Doyin might not be my favorite person, but and na that na because of her mouth.
Every woman
But
is
you know mean to say
beautiful
for this particular
regardless of the
interview,
shape or
so they go
size.
just bully the girl
And
to
true
embarrass her like that.
confidence
That one
comes
I
from
no go
within.
gree. Una
But I'm
take care,
all
una
for
bye.